Today we're taking a look at the Tesla stock, ticker symbol Tesla, in anticipation of the upcoming Tuesday, July 11, 2023 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start: if you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. Let's first begin with a brief overview and analysis of the stock in a general sense, and then following that, we will delve deeper into the stock's specific performance and action, focusing primarily on the upcoming trading day. On Monday, July 10, 2023, the Tesla stock commenced trading at $276.47 and concluded at $269.61. Throughout the day, the stock price decreased by 1.76%, fluctuating from $273.43 to $269.61. Trading activity saw 118.7 million shares exchanged, equivalent to approximately $32 billion. The stock experienced a trading range between $265.1 as the lowest point and $277.51 as the highest point on the last trading day. Notably, this stock's 52-week high stands at $314.67, while its 52-week low rests at $101.81. When compared to the previous trading day, there were 6 million more shares traded, which is a bad indication as the stock price decreased. Considering its risk level, this stock is categorized as very steady, carrying a very small chance of distress. You should also know that this stock responds to the market. Insider trading activity in Tesla shows a predominantly negative trend, with insiders selling more shares than they are buying. Over the past 100 trades, there were 617.73 thousand shares purchased and 2.45 million shares sold. The most recent trade occurred 6 days ago when Kirkhorn Zachary sold 3.75 thousand shares. This overall pattern of insiders selling more stocks than they buy can be seen as a negative signal. While there can be various reasons for such behavior, it generally indicates a less optimistic outlook. An area of concern arises from the recent negative reports surrounding Tesla's autopilot, which is currently under investigation by U.S. regulators. If this situation escalates, it has the potential to harm Tesla's reputation and financial performance. Consequently, it is crucial to closely monitor this ongoing matter. Investors will be particularly interested in the upcoming earnings announcement scheduled for July 19, 2023. They will be looking to see whether the earnings per share can maintain or surpass its current value, as it could have a substantial impact on the stock price. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for the Tesla stock, while the long-term average suggests a buy signal. However, due to the short-term average being higher than the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, providing a positive forecast. You should also know that when the stock price surpasses the long-term average, it triggers a buy signal, indicating a favorable outlook. Conversely, if the stock price falls below the short-term average, it generates a sell signal, suggesting a less favorable outlook. This stock has a mild bullish 3-day candlestick pattern. There is also a possible breakout that could happen above the $287.22 level. There are no major emerging candlestick patterns on the chart as of the making of this video. After analyzing the statistics and taking into account the latest news, it appears that there is a somewhat optimistic outlook for Tesla, although some caution remains due to possible regulatory issues. Taking into consideration various technical and fundamental factors, as well as the undervalued assessment indicated by the discounted cash flow value, there is a potential for Tesla's stock price to rise on the next trading day. As of the last trading day, the most recent daily candle on the chart is green. This indicates that the sellers, or in other words, the bears, dominated the trading session. The session was predominantly bearish, characterized by a trading volume of 118.7 million. This volume is 16% less compared to the average volume typically observed for Tesla, which stands at 137.9 million. The stock is currently trading within the upper range of yearly prices. Tesla is trading below its 5-day exponential moving average and simple moving average, while it's trading above its 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. This is a good sign for the stock's trend. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things, this is what we can conclude. The average true range indicator is showing less volatility. The commodity channel index indicator is neutral, while the rate of change, stochastic, ultimate oscillator, relative strength index, Williams percent range, MACD, and average directional index indicators are all positive. At present, multiple technical indicators are aligning towards a positive signal, indicating a buy for the stock. However, it's important to recognize that relying solely on these technical indicators may not yield substantial outcomes. Let's now delve into the analysis and prediction of Tesla's price movement for the upcoming trading day, Tuesday, July 11, 2023. Bear in mind that if the stock price is below $270.74, there is a higher likelihood of a downside potential. Conversely, if the stock price is trading above $270.74, the possibility of an upside movement is higher. Based on the closing price of the last trading day, the current pivot point for this stock is located at the $270.74 level. Additionally, it has support at the $263.97, $258.32, and $251.55 levels, and resistance at the $276.39, $283.16, and $288.81 levels. Now, I will outline a few potential Tesla stock trades for the upcoming trading day, 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to explore other similar trades based on the information provided in this video thus far, depending on your bullish or bearish sentiment towards this stock. Remember that when a support level is breached, it often transforms into a resistance level. Similarly, when a resistance level is surpassed, it tends to act as a support level. For the bullish trade, consider opening a long position if within the first 30 minutes of trading, the stock continues to respect the $263.97 level as a support. Aim to enter the trade as close as possible to that support level, keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of $276.39. The second bullish trade involves monitoring whether the $276.39 resistance level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a support level for a considerable period. This scenario suggests a short-term bullish outlook, and in this case, consider taking a long position as close as possible to the new $276.39 support level. When it comes to taking profits on this second bullish trade, consider doing so around the next resistance level of $283.16. It is advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock progresses, rather than closing it entirely in one go. Incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. Now, for the bearish trade, if the stock continues to respect the $276.39 level as a resistance after at least 30 minutes of the market opening, it may be suitable for opening or adding to a short trade position near that resistance level. Keep in mind that this would be short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the $263.97 support level. In the second bearish trade, monitor if the $263.97 support level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a resistance level for a substantial duration. This scenario implies a short-term bearish outlook. In this case, consider taking a short trade position as close as possible to the new $263.97 resistance level. For taking profits on this second bearish trade, consider doing so around the next support level of $258.32. It is also advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves, rather than closing it entirely all at once. As mentioned previously, incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. I want to emphasize the importance of taking profits near the target levels provided for all these trades, as it is crucial for ensuring profitability. These trades are short-term with a high probability of profit, and when executed correctly, they can accumulate significant gains. Remember to implement this strategy effectively to maximize your results. Whether you choose to adopt a bullish, bearish, or even a combination of both approaches for this stock, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We value your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts on this analysis. Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your perspective. That's all for now, so if you have any other stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stocks you'd like analyzed, subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can.